Hello, everyone. I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. And today, we have a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a rose flower out of polymer clay. To make the rose flower, we'll need polymer clay, a knife, a rolling pin, and a work surface. The first step is to choose the colors you want to use. When making this flower, it doesn't have to be red, it could be blue, black, yellow, or any color you like. For example, it could be blue and its shades. The next step is to divide the colors into shades. To do this, you'll need to take 2 squares of clay, cut them diagonally with a knife, and then join them together to achieve a light medium tone and a darker tone. Step 3. After rolling out the polymer clay, divide it into the desired shades. I chose 3 shades, but I still added white because I wanted the final petals to be a lighter shade of white. Step 4. After dividing the 3 main colors we'll use to make the rose flower, start with the dark shade that will form the base of our flower. Roll out a thin sausage about 7 mm in diameter. Cut the sausage into pieces approximately 1.5 to 2 mm in size and shape the first petals. The next step is to form the center of the flower from white polymer clay. Make a small droplet slightly smaller than the petals and begin attaching the petals to it. The first 2 petals cover the droplet to close it, while the next 4 petals are arranged evenly around the center. Arrange the petals counterclockwise, ensuring that the last petal goes under the left side of the first petal. Step 6. Choose a different shade for the next row of petals. Form the next row of petals, there will be 5 in this row. Repeat the process of attaching the petals counterclockwise. Step 7. Continue forming the petals, but this time for the 3rd row. The last row should contain the lightest shade of your color. In the 3rd row, we'll use 7 petals, repeating the steps of attaching them counterclockwise, ensuring the last petal goes under the bottom of the first petal on the left side. At the final stage, adjust the petals carefully by bending them to your liking. Then, bake the polymer clay in the oven at the temperature indicated on the clay packaging. In my case, it's 115 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After baking, allow the piece to cool, and finally, you can admire this wonderful rose flower. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and educational content. Goodbye.